Come on, dude. And you couldn't even fucking shoot him? 7 months, 14 days, 21 hours. W fucking college.
Throwing something.
Flash out.
Requesting recon above.
They're towards back.
Hostile marksman got careless.
Oh, come on. No, there's already one back there. The door's supposed to respawn.
Hostile trophy destroyed. Got the sniper. Let's move.
Oh my god. Other direction. Back.
Hostile marksman got careless.
Oh.
Tossing flash. Clear. Sniper is down.
Fucking come at my face more, bro. Shit. God damn it. Imagine. My bad.
That's a kill.
Bitch. Got two. Skirt. Nah, bro. Come on, I just fucking spawned in. Quit being a fucking twat.
You're walking a thin line, asshole. Throwing flashbang.
Nah. She's weird. Like, no cap, she's weird. Need help. Back in. Fucking. I don't know why you're being a pussy, bro. Fucking push. Hit marker to the dome. Love it.
Finish lines in sight. Don't
You
let
know
up.
it's a hit marker when it's fucking showing white.
Got a sniper. Let's make moves.
Flash out.
Moving with Archangel.
Right. He's coming in. I know, I saw. I know there's someone camped in a floor. Right, well,
Got the sniper.
Bravo
Let's
fucking
move.
Zulu, Black Ops.
Very nice, Marshal.